Hello everyone, welcome from my channel. In this video, we're gonna do fruit sound project with microbit. This is how our assembling will look like. We're gonna connect speaker and fruits to microbit. I use eggplant and lime here. Besides the fruits I have used, you can use several other fruits that contain electricity to some extent. For example, apples and oranges. So here, whenever I press eggplant, it means pin P1 is pressed and will make a sound which comes from speaker. While I press fruits, the LED icon will show flash also. The microbit setup is run by electricity, which either you can connect it to run by battery or just connect to your laptop with USB is just fine. So let's go to coding screen. Okay, create a new project. We're gonna call this one fruit sound project and create. So we're gonna remove these two from the workspace. Okay, now we are going to drag pin press from input into the workspace and change to pin 1 because we connected eggplant to pin 1. And we also want the LED to activate while producing the sound. So we're gonna drag and drop show icon. Okay. So to play music note, I will pull play tone and put it under the show icon. Here we can try different keys, something like middle G, low A, low B, etc. So one way for us to change music notes is to change the number, and for this we are going to add a formula. So go to variables, make sound variable. Okay. Now I'm going to drag this sound variable into the middle G. To start the program, I'm going to drag on start from toolbox. And now we're going to pull set sound block on workspace and set the tone to 220, which is low A. Well, the thing is I don't want to make it only one sound. I want to try different sounds. So then whenever we press the fruit, it will change tones. So how we're going to do is to add change sound block over play tone block. And I'm going to change this value to 100. So then I can hear the difference. Let's test it out on the simulator. Now every time we press pin 1, the sound is going to keep changing to different tones. The sound will keep changing and increasing, so we have to put limit to it by adding the conditional logic if. Here, so we're going to pull it to our workspace. We're going to drag it under the show icon, yes. If more or equal to 100, you can go to logic, pull up this block, change the sign, equal to more than equal. And then we're going to add the sound variable. As we add this block, the frequency will go back to 220 when it reaches the limit. Now if my sound increases until it's more than or equal to 1000, then what I'm going to do is reset my sound back to 220. So drag the set sound block to here and set the sound to 220. Now test it on your simulator. If it's okay, download it to your microbit. So this is the basic coding for fruit sound that you can adjust to or add some magic to it. It's entirely up to you. Have fun with your creation. See ya!